Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Ay, naman dili suka day diri. Man naghimo po ko ako
Ay,
Ayan guys, balot. Balot mo nay.
can I crack one of them?
Ako lang mag-crack.
Okay. You have an extra
Ano na lang
sauce.
niya.
You have an extra sauce to your sauce.
Yeah, but I have a very nice
Sauce.
sauce. And then this one, the sili and the soka.
The soka.
The vinegar.
Nasuka.
The soka.
When you have to cut it here with the line.
Yeah. And then the French
French
fries. And
This
then,
is Yum yum.
and then this one, the Japanese food. I don't know what
It's
name.
pancake, a Japanese pancake.
Japanese pancake.
That I don't like. I never eat it.
Mhm. Then I
Look.
cracked the egg.
Don't, just in the line.
No, not oh, dangerous ni na dangerous.
Dangerous.
Ew, ew. Look at yaks ni yaks.
No, yuck.
Ano siya?
Check up ang liha kay gaduda na kuha na diabetes juga ba. Ay, sis. Ay kung pagkuha na.
French fries. One, eat one.
Keep the suka ears. Put in the koan inside in the balot-balot.
Yan ang suka earth.
Mahay suka earth.
Suka first. Halang na ba na tuwing la yung pagkahalang.
Di lahi man akong nagamit kay naghimo kog lain suka nako na naman suka di
Here
ay.
you go.
Ayan guys, kano siya 16.
16 pesos.
years old.
16 days.
If you American translation, $16. Right?
Ayan guys, halang gid ay ni.
I want to crack that one.
No.
It is sure.
16 years old.
You can
guys.
see this head.
Ayan.
Yan, baby.
Magic sarap.
I feel the tiil a little bit.
I feel that a little bit.
I need french fries.
Hmm?
But why do you every time you cut it has a light?
Come here.
Reflection. I don't like the English translation,
Can I
right?
have the suka?
Mmm.
Wait,
Ah,
give me one french fries.
wait lang, wait lang. Uy,
I
ginoo
want
ko.
suka.
Oh. Sorry ha. Uy, ginoo ko, Lord. Panganak pa tuwing.
Hi
Okay.
guys.
Anak kay halang ha. No, no, halang.
That's halang.
Oh, that's hayang. And then the
Cha-
suka.
Translation. Translation.
Wow. Ay nagwaw kay kabalo ko kaon ka din. This not hot. This is a halang.
Translation. Halang to hot. That's the translation.
Halang.
If anyone's
No, no, lagi. Don't touch it.
This one, oh.
Hilong. Zilong.
Yatag tagaya.
Give one.
No.
Oh, ilong. Oh, ilong. Hi guys, hi guys.
Samok ka
Hi
ko.
guys.
Samok ka vlog. Gubot kaya akong vlog ani. Gubot.
I want hilang.
This is the halang guys.
Translation. Hot.
Spicy. Not hot. Right?
The same with hot.
The same?
Mm.
Hot sa
Hot chocolate.
Hot dog.
Cheese dog.
Hi guys.
no.
Buddy, no.
Yes, ma'am, sir. AC, tempered glass, battery charger, download repair.
Ay. Ang buto kay nana. Ay, alakay. Kay alakay.
Layat siya, guys.
Gilayat siya, guys.
Let's go, guys.
Uy, nabuto!
Guys, oh.
Guys, small repair, battery charger. Big,
Gabi.
small. Meron dyan.
Ew, dabi tao, ew.
Nabuto.
Kuy, ginoo ko, Lord.
If you don't eat properly, guys, you will get a buto-buto, aka popping.
Get up, get up. Sayang ginoo ni guys. Thank you, bitaw.
Welcome, guys.
Wait lang kayo na. Nabutangan niyo kwan.
Bigel Hachu. Meron dyan.
Out sa first. Ayaw, IG.
Ito big.
Foul ball.
Da, noo ko, Lord. Vlog pa more.
French fries.
Oh, ito dito.
One night stand. Wala.
Guys, thank you for watching and subscribe my
YouTube
new
channel.
YouTube channel, guys. I have
A new YouTube.
new YouTube
Channel.
channel. And then subscribe mo, and di mo subscribe kay pareha ka pangit na ako. Bye.
Pipi.